If you are an Indian and planning to work abroad in 2026, this video is for you. Most people, they make one big mistake. They apply everywhere with the same resume and then get ignored. Today I'll show you a practical system to stand out in a highly competitive environment, because today's global job market is honestly. Quick intro so you know where this advice comes from. I'm a marketing lead and with 6 years of experience, international experience working in Europe and East Asia. I have worked with startups and large companies. So this is not like an advice coming from like theory. This is a practical hiring reality. Step one would be build a portfolio. In 2026, many companies care less about your degrees alone and more about your proof of work. Yes, degrees still matter in regulated fields such as medicine, law, engineering, but for many other jobs, like most of the jobs, the question is simple: what have you done? Can you show it? Can you solve real world problems? So what you have to do is create a portfolio with 3 to 5 strong projects. For each project, include what was the problem, what did you do, and what tools did you use to get the results. And include the results in numbers. Use numbers wherever possible. No proof, low trust. Strong proof means more interviews for you. Step 2 would be update resume and make a video. I know you have the traditional resume, but you have to update that to reflect the current experience, right? So even if you have worked in a company for like 2-3 months, include that. Most resumes are too generic, so don't write like responsibilities, this, that. What you have to write measurable numerical outcomes. For example, instead of saying responsible for campaigns, say increase leads conversion by 28% in like couple of months or in 3 months, right? Keep it specific and keep your resume clean and ATS friendly and role specific. Now add an extra edge. Create a 45 to 60-second resume introducing yourself, what role do you want, and what has been your top achievement, right? And what value can you bring to the recruiters so they can remember you faster. Step 3 would be LinkedIn is your main platform for global job hunting, but only if your profile is optimized. So you have to treat LinkedIn like your own website. So fix the headline, core skills, values, renew the about section with clear stories and outcomes. Your experience section should reflect like impact, not just duties. And your features section should include your portfolio and case studies. Certificates do not matter as much. And enable the open to work feature. What you have to do, once again, is treat LinkedIn like your own website. So someone should get a clarity about you within 10 seconds of seeing your profile. Step 4 would be choosing location and applying smartly. Now choose your target location, start applying, but apply very smartly. Before every application, read the job description properly, and you have to tailor your resume according to that. Simple method: highlight top 5 requirements in the job description of your job, match your relevant experience to those requirements, and reorder the resume in bulleted points. So first, what you have to do is like include a custom note if possible. Remember this: 20 tailored applications will beat 200 random ones. So yeah, renew your resume once again. Step 5: reach out to hiring manager. This could be one of your major advantage. Connect directly with the hiring managers and recruiters. Keep your message short and professional. Say like who you are, which role you are applying for, and why your profile aligns with the job description. And include your portfolio link, and also you include the video that you just shot, right? So you go with like, hi, I'm this, right? I have experience in like this certain domain, and I believe my profile aligns well. Happy to share the portfolio or case studies. And this can be your profile from the pile of the shortlist. Step 6: conferences and networking. If you have budget, you have to network. So what you can do is attend conferences and events that are happening in India, and they connect with, like, people that are coming from, like, companies that are like MNCs, right? So you can connect with them, ask smart question, connect with them on LinkedIn, and follow up in 24 hours, right? Warm connections can often lead to interviews faster, and it has helped me in two of the uh, six jobs that I've worked for. So what you have to do is, like, target 1 2 countries first. Don't target 10 at once. And understand visa and sponsorship is, like, harsh reality, especially for Indians, because many companies, they might be okay with hiring you, but they might not be okay with, like, sponsoring your visa. So you have to remember that even if you get the interview, it might not work, so be prepared for that as well. This is a process, not a luck. So roadmap is simple. What I would advise: portfolio, resume, LinkedIn, tailored applications, hiring manager, outreach, networking. If you want, comment a broad checklist, and I'll share a weekly action template link with you, free of cost. And please subscribe and send this to one of your friends who wants to work abroad in 2026. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next one. Bye.